Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef Kitchen. Most cooking mistakes aren't about recipes. They're about heat. Too hot, too low, or never adjusted. And food burns, steams, or tastes flat. Let's fix that. Fun fact. Most professional cooks adjust heat constantly instead of leaving it at one setting. Searing uses very high heat for a short time. The goal is flavor and color, not doneness. High heat drives the surface so browning can happen. If the heat is too low, food steams instead of browns. Key takeaway, high heat builds flavor. Fun fact, browning during searing creates hundreds of new flavor compounds. Sautéing uses moderate heat and movement. Food cooks quickly and evenly, but heat must be adjusted as moisture releases. Too hot burns, too low turns food soggy. Key takeaway, sauteing is controlled heat plus attention. Fun fact, the word saute means to jump, describing how food moves when the heat is right. Roasting uses dry, surrounding heat, usually in an oven. Food cooks evenly while slowly browning on the outside. Crowding traps steam. Space creates browning. Key takeaway, roasting needs airflow and patience. Even with ovens set correctly, overcrowding can prevent food from browning at all. Braising starts hot to build flavor, then finishes low and slow in liquid. High heat builds flavor, low heat and time creates tenderness. Key takeaway, braising is about patience, not power. Fun fact, many classic comfort foods exist because braising makes tough cuts tender. Simmering uses gentle heat just below a boil. Small bubbles, calm movement. Boiling is aggressive, simmering is controlled. Key takeaway, low heat protects texture and builds flavor. Fun fact, boiling can actually toughen proteins and cloud liquids. Heat control isn't about memorizing temperatures. It's about watching, adjusting, and understanding what heat is doing. Control the heat, and cooking stops being guesswork. Thank you, and have fun cooking.